Alright, so I'm on the phone instead of the camera. It took a little fall, so went on a new lens protector. But I know I mentioned that I was gonna wait till after I got back from this motorcycle trip. Started looking for the motor. So 2 vehicles popped up in the junkyard, both with 6.0s, both 03s. One a Silverado 2500, the other one a Yukon. So I was like, they popped up. Let me go see what they're looking like. So overall, they look pretty decent in the pictures, which is kind of it's pros and cons to that, because if it was wrecked, it means it was driving at the time. The motor's good. If it's perfect, it's probably motor or transmission. So I'll head out there, throw some tools in one of those bags back there, see if they spin over, how they're looking, and may or may not pull one today. Just really going out there to look, because this thing's gonna need a 6.0 eventually. And I don't want to do it when it's too cold out, being in the junkyard trying to pull a motor. So today's nice enough. Like I said, 2 of them just popped up yesterday, so we'll see how they're looking. The Yukon, I'm not sure. I don't think that one will be a 2-wheel drive, but the 2500, it's a good possibility. But we'll see. If we can find a motor and transmission combo, it'd be nice. If it's just the motor, that'd be nice too, because that's going to go on the engine stand, start tearing that apart, reseal it, cam it, gap the rings, and get it ready to be put in here. And if I need to have the mock-up transmission, I have the 480 up under here torn apart, so I'd always use that for mock-up purposes. But yeah, let me stop talking, find a few tools, get a breaker bar and something to turn it over with, and head to the junkyard. I haven't made it to the trucks I came up here to look at yet, but this 3500 480E 2-wheel drive, so might be looking at that here in a little bit. Alright, so these are the 2 I came up here to look at. I'm pretty sure that's a 6.0. Yeah, it's a 6.0. Now, when I've already looked at them a little bit, so between the 2, I'm kind of leaning towards that one. I'll show you guys here in a little bit. This one, like I said, this one's not bad, but it looks like it's in good condition, which means it probably came in either bad transmission or bad motor. But this one's also a 6.0. Yep, 6.0, which is clean. This one's drive-by-wire, not cable, but it looks good. 2500. So it's rusted out a lot. Rusted out. Looks like it took a little hit here and a hit back here. So it means it didn't come in perfect. It's probably totaled out. Looks pretty recent. However, this one, I'm looking at this one a little bit more. You guys see it? See if it's better on this side. It does have some shorty headers on it, so who knows what might have been done to it. Let's see, it's also drive-by wire, so I'll get switched over anyway. But I guess, well, that fuel rut doesn't look too good, but like I said, that stuff's getting swapped out anyway. This one a little bit cleaner, but those shorty headers though, I don't know. I might grab them. Even if I grab this one, grab those headers off of there, just because I don't know what the PT is going to take. It's definitely going to be custom, but if I have something to start off with to see how it fits and modify it from there, it'd be a lot easier. But I'll look at them a little bit more, pretty sure they're both 6.0s. There's a bunch in here. So that Yukon. I didn't even check this one. See if it's. I'm pretty sure it's all-wheel drive. Yep. So we'll see. I'll look at them both a little bit more. There are a lot more in here. The 3500 or the 2500 is my choice so far, but we'll see. They're both all caked up, so being this close together, coming in together, I don't know if they were part of the same fleet or not, but we'll see. Little scuffs up here, but none like this one. Do want to go check out that Yukon. Pretty sure that'll be a 6.0. We'll see. But yeah, the 2500 so far. We'll see if they turn over. 2012, I was looking at that for the push card for my truck. Somebody attempted to take it out. Nope. Yeah, let's see this one. This is a 5.3, I believe. Yeah, that push guard, I don't know. It'd be tempting. Throw it on the truck. Oh yeah, that one's rough. Yeah, we'll think about it. I'll check the price out, see what they go for. Said all 4x4s are all-wheel drives. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop messing around, wasting time, and get back to those down there. This Escalade is gone. Yeah, so check. Well, no, I think I already checked that one. Well, transmission's gone on this one, so who knows what that was. But yeah, I think we have our contenders down here. I forget which one this one was, but this is pretty recent also. 2500. I think 5.3. Or no, this was a diesel. So yeah. The 4x4. So yeah, let me stop wasting time and get back over there. Who knows, maybe pull this motor, pull that 480E. That way I could be squared up on the transmission that's in the Monty. Pull that one, give that one back to my buddy. It'll be even there, so I don't have to pull that one back out. But yeah, let me try some things out. I'll mess with this one, and I'll see if this one turns over, and I'll let you guys know the verdict. Alright, I might have to pass on this one for now. It does spin freely, but like I said, there's nothing, wasn't a wreck or anything, so most likely it's mechanical, either transmission or motor. And then the truck was in a lot rougher condition than I thought. Like, I noticed that. Then all the coil packs are pretty much, they're pretty bad. So it's like, definitely don't want to mess with that one right now. Then looking at it, it's like the headers, the stock ones might even work, so not even worried about that. But this one, yeah, like I said, I threw most of the tools I thought I'd need in there, but I did forget the lift plate, and then like a lot of those smaller sockets, so I'm not sure about that one. That wire is cut for some reason, so we'll keep an eye out. And then with that transmission, that 480 over there, like I probably could, yeah, I probably could get it off. That one shouldn't be too bad. I know it's gonna be heavy though, so I might go look at that for now and see what it's looking like. But I know these two are there just for the blocks. I feel like coming back later with all the right tools, maybe. But for now, I'll pass on them. Like I said, 6.0s will pop up every now and then. So I'll just have to keep an eye out for it. But to be right there, really not trying to be out here when it's too cold. But if I have all the right tools, probably hit up a buddy, see if they can come help out. Shouldn't be a problem. But for now, I'm gonna call it a day. Alright, let's put up a good fight, but we got her out. It's looking pretty good. Don't need the torque converter. I have two of those sitting at home, not doing anything. Don't need the flex plate. I have one of those sitting at home. But I don't know. I need one for the PT, and then I have to return the favor to my buddy and return the 480E to him, 2-wheel drive. So we'll get it cleaned up and figure out what's going on with it. However, I did come for a 6.0, right? I did come for a 6.0. It's a 6.0 right there. And then one sitting right here. Spins freely, so I don't know. Don't know. I think the transmission's already gone on it. Oh no, it's back there. But it is a 4x4 or all-wheel drive. So don't need that, but like I said, I don't have the tools right now to lift up a motor. So we might be back for something in the upcoming week or so if they're still here, or if something else pops up. But that's a score right there. Maybe about $200-300, $250-ish. So yeah, but we'll get this thing cleaned up. It's from a 97 Express van. Unknown mileage and all that stuff. Well, I think it's digital for the mileage. Ugh. Yeah, mileage is digital, so unknown mileage. But somebody was having some fun in here. But yeah, this thing put up a fight. So hopefully it's good. Now the hard part is we gotta get this thing to the front and then get it into the car, into the truck. So yeah, let's get the wheelbarrow, try to load it up in there, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, my buddy, he's always suggesting get the transmissions out of the vans instead of the trucks because they're not abused as much. They're usually work trucks or work vans, so she's not abused too much. Hey, don't look at the 480, I just fall for that. But yeah, especially the vans without the LSs in it. So this is not the LS. I'm not sure which one this is. 3500. I don't think it's diesel, but it's not the LS, so it's usually not beat on as much, so it should be good. But yeah, we'll get that loaded up and be on the hunt for a 6.0 in the near future.